Alright, back in the garage again. Was looking at the to-do list. Put the fuel injectors in the other day, the Deca 80s. Still got a map sensor to do. Was gonna drill a hole for the wideband bung, but ended up putting the cold side together and the accessories on. So that's it in all of its glory. The accessories are on. I took the 1LE brackets off and shaved them down. I still have my tensioner, so that's in place. Power steering pump, alternator, etc. Got the cold side on, as you can see. It's up under there. So I think that's where my intercooler is going to sit. Still a little higher than the air dam, and I'm going to make a custom air dam to push scoop air and then up and towards the rad. Let me see here. Cold side all routed. Got a hole in my battery tray up into the intake. Have to swap over the mass air flow sensor into a map sensor so the EBL flash can read it. Still got tons to do, but that's what I did today. Probably end up having to take most of this stuff off and on, off and on, off and on. But that's it.